In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the text font for one element in Card. If you've ever changed a font and seen it affect every text block on your page, this guide will show you how to update just one element cleanly and confidently. Start by opening your browser and going to card.co. From the home page, click Open Dashboard to access your projects. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log in as you normally do. Once you're in your dashboard, choose the project you want to edit. That will open the Card editor. Inside the editor, click the specific text block you want to customize. You'll know it's selected when you see the editing sidebar appear on the right side of the screen with options for that element. We're going to work in that panel. Find and open the Appearance tab. This is where Card groups visual controls for the selected element. Before changing the font, look for the Style dropdown. This setting is important because styles in Card can be shared across multiple elements. Click the Style dropdown and set it to None. Doing this isolates your change, so the new font applies only to the text block you selected, not to other elements that might be using the same shared style. It's a small step that prevents accidental site-wide changes. With the style set to None, open the Fonts dropdown. Card will show you the available fonts, and you'll see a live preview update in the canvas as you hover or choose different options. Pick the font that best matches your design and maintains good readability. A quick tip: check how the new font looks at the actual size of your text and on both headings and paragraph-style content if your block includes different text levels. Also keep in mind that some fonts feel heavier or lighter, so you may want to verify that line breaks and spacing still look balanced after your selection. When you're happy with the way it looks, click Done in the Editor panel. That confirms the change for this element. You'll notice the rest of your site remains untouched because you cleared the shared style before switching fonts. From here, you can continue editing other elements the same way, or simply preview your page to make sure everything feels cohesive. And remember, the editor supports undo if you want to step back and try another font. That's it. One text block, one font change, no unwanted surprises across your site. Thanks for watching and happy building in Card.